Tino, give me one.
Go away.
I got it.
A lush jungle with towering trees and vines. He sits on a pile of ripe golden mangoes.
Wow, so yummy, so sweet. I will eat them all.
A small hungry squirrel watches from a nearby branch. The squirrel timidly approaches, stomach growling.
Tino, can I have a mango? Please, I am very hungry. Help me, please.
No way, these are mine. I do not care if you are hungry.
Please, just one. We are friends. Please help me. I have not eaten since morning.
Tino, sharing is important. We have to help each other. Sharing creates love.
Not when it comes to mangoes. I love mangoes. So yummy.
A high jungle branch. Sunlight filters through the leaves. Tino ignoring squirrel.
Don't come closer. Go away. I told you, I will not share.
Tino swings to a high branch, still holding the mangoes. The bobbles, snaps, and falls, tossing the mangoes into the air.
Oh no! Help! Help! My mangoes!
Now you see, Tino. That's what happens when you get too greedy. You should have shared mango with squirrel.
A jungle clearing with soft grass and scattered mangoes. Poor Tino is in shock, very sad.
Oh no! What have I done? Oh Allah Almighty, please forgive me of my greediness.
Do not cry, please. You can have my food, Tino. We can share. Take it, please.
What? But you were hungry, and you showing kindness even when I was rude to you.
Now you see, Tino, even though you didn't share, the squirrel is still being kind.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The believer's shade on the day of judgment will be his charity."
Here, you can have the first one, and I am sorry for my behavior.
Really? Thank you for sharing mango, Tino. We all make mistakes. You are a good monkey.
That's the spirit. Allah loves those who give to others. Sharing creates love among us.
Let's have a mango feast. Shall we? And don't be sad, Tino. It's party time.
To be honest, sharing actually makes food taste better. I learned this lesson today.
Told you? Now stop talking and enjoy mangoes. It's so sweet. Thank you, Allah.
The world is a happier place when we share and help each other. And Allah loves that.
Generosity and sadaqah make the world a better place. Let's follow the Prophet's, peace be upon him, example, and always share with kindness.